So by now, everybody has created their home. Home is where the heart is, inspired by the earth or nature or heaven or something from their imagination. And this has been a bit of a process. It hasn't just been about thinking of a result and getting it down on the paper. You know, we've had to dream into it a little bit. So I would like everybody to turn to their partner. So we'll have you two together. And then if you two could go together, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And you're going to share with your partner just for time's sake. So you're going to share with your partner a little bit about your process and about your house, okay? So we have some questions that are also on the lesson plan. Is everybody in their couples? Can I ask, are you three going to go together? Okay. All right, so I'm going to read the questions for everybody just to think about. And then you can share what you want to share with your partner for about 5 minutes. So everybody put your work in front of you. And you're just going to quietly to yourself think about the questions that I'm going to ask you to reflect on. Ask yourself if your home reflects in any way what came up for you in your visualization. This may be the mood of it, or the feeling of it, or possibly the colors or the textures. Was your home inspired more by heaven or earth, or both, or something else? What else inspired you? What else came up in your imagination? Did any other new features or ideas arise during the process of making the artwork? It was a process. So did it change, or did something else happen that surprised you? Does the phrase, "home is where the heart is," describe the home you created? Is your home something that could become a reality? Or can you keep it in your heart as a safe place that you can visit using your imagination whenever you choose? So now I'd like you to turn to your partner, and we're going to take 5 minutes each person, and you're just going to share anything from those questions or from your process with your partner.